Hey, my name is Andi Bühler. This is the drum code, triplets and quarter notes played on the double bass. We want to clean up the triplet mess because most of the drummers I ask about triplets, they don't really know what they're doing. So if it sounds good, that's all right, but if it doesn't sound good, you need to have a solution for that. So today we're going to make that stuff clear. We're going to start with quarter notes because they have the similar position in the bar like triplet notes. If you play quarter notes, single strokes, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, left. Same with the double bass. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we play triplets. That means we start the triplets in the same positions like the quarter notes. So the 1 starts with the right hand, the 2 starts with the left hand, and so on. Because you play only three strokes, that means on the next count, you start with the opposite hand, like with the quarter notes. You start with the right hand on the 1 and you start with the left hand on the 2. If you play triplets, it's the same. You just do more strokes in between. So playing triplets, 1, 2, 3, 4, Panama, 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 right, left, right, left. Break it down a bit. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Same for the double bass. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and now we combine the triplets with the quarter notes. As I said, the positions are the same. So position 1 always starts with right, position 2 with left, 3 with right, 4 with left. If we have triplets on the 1 and the rest of the bar are quarter notes, you play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have triplets on the 2, they start with left. So the 1 is a quarter note with the right foot and 2 triplets with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and now we're gonna play this with a reading book. As you guessed, the black spot stands for the triplets, and the white spot stands for the quarter notes. So if you have black, white, that means Panama pa, Panama pa. Triplet, quarter, quarter. Black starts, so it starts with right hand. The next white one is with left. Black, right, white, left. So black, white, black, white. All right, so we want to put it into a groove. On top, we play with the hands, and in the end, we play the quarter notes and the triplets only with the double bass. So on top, we play quarter notes, always a constant pattern, quarter notes on the right cymbal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that never changes. And we play a half-time backbeat, that means on the 3, on the snare. Not on 2 and 4, it's half time, so it's in the middle of the bar. We play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's hear the first 5 numbers of the 16 combinations. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you saw, I never leave out a stroke on the double bass. So even if I play the snare drum, I play the position of the bass drum as well. Like when you have number 5 again, most of the time people tend to play no bass when you play the snare drum. So it would be like this. That would mean in that point, you don't know which foot to play next. So play the position with the snare drum. In the end, when you play that with the song or with your band, sure, you don't want to play all the hits on the bass drum, maybe. But practice it like this, so you get really the positions and you know how to do it, and you know which bass drum you have to leave out when you play the snare if you don't want this double sound. All right, so you can play through the whole reading book with the 4-spot section. So if you have 4 spots in one group, this works, this groove works, and this exercise works. There's a lot to do, so in the end, always play a little improvisation to see how far you are with the stuff. I'm just gonna show you what I mean. All right, have fun with it and see you soon. Bye.